Hey guys, what's up? This is Dragonfire and coming to you with another unboxing. It's been a while since we did an unboxing and possible review, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the unboxing portion of the video. So let's see what we got here. Okay, what do we have? Oh, a nice USB fan by DDW. Yeah, they're claiming to be great, and I would say looks pretty good. The box is not too fancy. It's just a uniform box. Let's check out the specs. We have the model number right here. The battery capacity, which is no battery at all. Color is black. It also comes in the white variant. Input voltage and current is a 5 volt or a 1 amp. 5 volt, 1 amp input. Got a cable length, which is 1.2 meters. And NW, about net weight is about 2 grams. Not 2 grams. 233 grams. So it's not bad. This is pretty much, it comes with a variable speed, looks like. And looks like we have satisfaction. States the following. We provide free quality assurance services for this product. If the motor of your electric fan fails during use, we will return it for you as soon as possible, and you don't need to bear any cost, which is great. That's great. If you are dissatisfied with our product after receiving it, you can contact Amazon for an unconditional return process as soon as possible. If you buy products of the brand in any DDW store, you can directly contact the seller for returns. Oh, so pretty much it's not bad. So what they're stating is, if you anything happened to this electrical fan here, they will give you a free refund for the product here. All right, what this is actually detect dependable welfare design in Canada. So this looks like it's a Canadian product, which is really great. So it's a clip-on fan, USB socket. It has a super speed and 360 free rotation. I don't know if it's going to be rotating by itself or what, but it looks like it's going to be adjustable. This right here, it's like an adjustable kind of thing here. So, all right, let's open this box up here and see what's inside here. Nice little packaging. So let's get it out of the box here. Oh, what do we have here? We got the fan itself, and looks like we got a instruction pamphlet, which shouldn't be that much to do with it. So, okay. Okay. And that's pretty much all that's in there is the instructions. So, all right, let's check this out here. Alright, what we got here? It's a black fan. Remember, it comes into white too, by the way. It looks like it has a strong clamp here. I mean, strong clamp. And on the clamps, it looks like it has like little padding underneath there too, so it's good. So the fan looks pretty good. So looks like that's what I was actually thought. It's not a automatic 360. It's a 360 you can turn all around manually, up and down too. So let's turn it on the back here. Oh, here's the USB cord here. Okay. And looks like, yeah, this is like the fan speed turn on thing here. So, yeah. So that, okay, we got, yeah, it's pretty not bad. So, let's put it to the test here. I got my battery bank here. So, okay, we're back with this. We're going to just do a small little review because it's nothing really to review. It's we got the plug here. I got my USB power bank here. So let's unravel this. So all you do is just do this, and it's not that long. I think it's like take 2 3-foot cord here. Make sure it's off. Okay. Then we're going to plug into a USB port. So, okay. All right. So we plugged into a USB port. Now, oh wow. Nice. It's a nice little fan here. Has different speeds on it, of course, as you can hear. I'm going to be quiet for you can hear. This is the high setting. And there you go, that's the lowest setting it goes to, and then it turns off. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. This is a USB fan by DDW. I'll put a link in the description here, and see what you like about it. If you like it, I won't blame you. Order it. Well, guys, that is another review and another unboxing. So if you like what you see, give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you like the product will be in the description. Click on the link and it will take you straight to the Amazon link. Well, this is Dragonfire, and see you next time.